leaving a legacy. Siyempre, di ba? Imposible you don't leave a legacy. 14-0, perfect, automatic champion. So what legacy did you guys leave? Not just to UST, but to the UAP dun sa, with what you accomplished.
Legacy, madami na ngayon. Madami nagpo 14-0 ngayon. Siguro lang yung ano lang for me, yung I'll go back to Coach Arik. How we started, 'di ba? Yung heartaches of losing, yung triumph mo when you're winning. It doesn't matter. Win or lose, just stay together. Just continue on. And siguro nga after 90, 91, 92, 93, on our 4th year together, yun siguro yung product. That's a byproduct of lahat ng heartaches na pinagdaanan namin.